Hello everybody, so today in this video we are going to be taking a look at these. These are the SunGod Sierras, the McLaren version. First of all, apologies for my nails, I have just done them and they did not dry by the time I started setting this up, and they've already messed up, so I do apologise. But today we're going to be looking at these. I have unboxed some of the Lando Norris Zypher ones, and I got a lot of stick on that video for not actually trying them on, so I'm going to try these on in this video. But yeah, they come to you like this. They have the frosted black frames, smoke lenses with McLaren engraving, and the McLaren Speedmark plate. So yeah, they come to you in this box with a peel here thing, which is going to wreck my nails even more. Yeah, don't rush to do your nails before you start making videos. So, this box is made from 100% recycled materials. Please recycle. So, oh, they changed the box. The box is a lot brighter than they used to be. So they look like this. And then, okay. Wow. Yeah, I wish I had the box for the other ones here. But, wow. Yeah, that's not coming up on the camera, but that is neon orange. That is no papaya. Box is a little bit damaged, which is quite annoying. They are taped up as well at the side. So, let me get my scissors to carefully... apparently not sharp enough. I do it. I've not cut that side properly. Sorry, that is the wire for my microphone. Okay, here we go. So let's turn them the right way. We have the logo there and there. So let's have a look. Ooh. The future in focus. Again, this is neon. I'm sure that the last one didn't come with this. So yeah. Activate your lifetime guarantee, so that's good. That is something good about SunGod. They do offer that lifetime guarantee, and that is very, very helpful. So I will be making sure to register my pair before anyone else can with the code that's on the back. So these are the 2024 edition. So they have this cleaning case. Microfiber made from recycled plastic bottles, leave no trace. Okay. So your lenses should only be cleaned with this case. But yeah, it has the kind of McLaren swoopy design. This is really soft as well. With my Lando Norris ones, I got a capsule case with it. I think they just had an offer on at the time. But yeah. I got these for a discount price as well, so I can't complain. And there they are. Ooh, they are nice. They are very nice. They're actually nicer than I was expecting them to be. So they do have like a kind of translucent kind of look to them. Don't know if you can see that at all, but... tiny bit translucent, but they are gorgeous. You say McLaren in here. I thought I would get these to celebrate Lando's first win, which I am so happy about. It says McLaren down here. You can see me. Hello. It says McLaren here. And yeah. These are very, very nice. The Zephyr ones, I like them, but I don't think the shape of them suits me. They seem like really big on my face. These seem a little bit more rounded, I guess. The Zephyr ones are quite angular, but these are really, really nice. The McLaren logo here, love it. So, yes, I will try these on this time. So, yeah, here we go. Thank you for watching. Okay, so here they are. They are on. So, yeah, I think I like these a lot more than the Zephyr, I don't know how you pronounce it. But I think I like these a lot more. But they have the logo there. Just like them a lot.